Changzhou Inwelt Welding Technology Company Limited is a brand new sales service platform focusing on welding torches, welding accessories, welding consumables, and personal welding protective equipment. We are committed to providing a comprehensive platform service mode with free choice, professional advice, custom service, and quality control of welding products for worldwide clients and manufacturers, which let customers choose manufacturers with various advantages and meet their personal needs at home. We have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 40 countries including Europe, Poland, Serbia, Turkey, Russia, USA, Mexico, Brazil, India, Thailand, Middle East, and South Africa. We can give our customers professional design advice and make 3D design based on customer idea. Our team working tirelessly to implement industry-leading quality control procedures so our customers can enjoy user-friendly ordering service with peace of mind, knowing top-rated QA team working for them here. Meanwhile, we guarantee payment security, timely delivery, and quality stability so that customers can buy products that meet their needs without going out. We aim to creating a welding trading platform with no middleman, fast order, and multiple choices. Our vision: to be a world-class supplier of welding products, a workplace with high employee satisfaction. Our mission: provide high-quality welding products, highly adaptive operations flow. Our values: teamwork, embrace change, passion for life.